Madhusar, the introducer of this drama. Today, our fantastic drama is Pygmalion, written by George Bernard Shaw. In this play, a phonetics professor, Henry Higgins, bets that he can transform a poor Cockney flower girl, Eliza Doolittle, into a duchess simply by teaching her to speak proper English. Characters: Rutvika as Henry Higgins, Dakshani as Colonel Pickering, Vinya as Eliza Doolittle, Arana as customer and party member, Danshika as of, Harshita as prince, and Swati as party member. Let's have few acts on the stage. Scene 1: Selling flowers in the market.
Hey girl, I want the flowers. Who flows? I would like to buy this type of flowers. Oh, Laili, you give I 3 pennies. Hey, no, this is too much. In other shop, the cost of flowers is only 2 pennies. But they are selling for 3 pennies. Please take it and give me the flowers. Hey, no, you give I 3 pennies. Hey, don't argue with me. I don't have time. Please take it. Okay. Floors, a bouquet of flowers, sir. Hey, look, where are you going, babe? Floors. Won't ya buy any flowers from a poor good girl, sir? Couple of bucket half a crown. Hey, look, where are you going? Which are you? What do you want from me? I'm doing nothing wrong. Take it off. Come down. I need to know her. Why did ya? Take down me first. You just show me what you know about me. Come, show me. The name proper written, I can't read.
I can. It says, won't you buy a flower from a poor girl, sir? Couple of bucket half a flower. So, on your direction, she was doing no harm. Oh, I'm not a detective. How do you come up to me so far if you are born on a cheap side?
What arm is saying, my listen grew. It was a dirty place to live, and I have to pay too much.
How do you know, sir? Are you doing this sort of things for living at a music hall? I have thought of it. Perhaps I will it. How do you do it? May I ask? Phonetics, the sense of speech. That's my profession. And also my hobby. Anyone can spot the Irishman or Yorkshireman. But I get tested within 6 months. I get tested someone within 2 months in London. Sometimes within 2 streets.
Oh, boring.
Why are you still here? Can't you speak English properly?
Boo.
Ooh, what was that? It is this awful sound that eats part of the sea.
It might be in the plan.
No, the rain in the space stays mainly in the plane.
Didn't I say that?
No, you didn't say that. You didn't even say that. Come on, Higgins, don't touch that poor girl. Again, Elsa, how kind of you to let me come?
How kind of you to let me come?
No, not kind of you. It's like cup of tea. Say cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
No, cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Can't you hear the difference? Say cup.
Cup.
Then say off.
Off.
Now say cup. Off.
Cup.
Off. Better, very good. Again, Elsa, the rain in the space stays mainly in the plane.
The rain in the space stays mainly in the plane.
The rain in the space stays mainly in the plane. Now, how kind of you to let me come?
How kind of you to let me come?
How kind of you to let us come? Let us tell Harvard Public as soon as possible. Well, I really need to sleep. We will discuss this tomorrow. Good night, my friends. Good night. Elisa Doolittle, I promise you that I will make you proud.
Scene 4: At the Embassy Ball.
Sir Henry Elisa, beautiful, you look stunning tonight.
Thank you, Professor.
I'm sure this time we will make it. Remember, all I taught you.
I
Majesty, Royal Highness the Prince. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Miss Dolittle, what a lovely surprise, Professor Higgins.
Your Grace.
Let's drink a sip of juice. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you who our really was. The other day at the races, I preferred to go unnoticed.
I understand, Your Grace.
She really is an outstanding lady. I hope you enjoy the rest of this evening, Professor Miss.
Your
Your
Grace.
Grace.
It's a delightful evening, Elsa.
What do you mean?
Well, we convinced everyone, even the prince. I would call this would be a real success. But maybe we should call it as a night.
Well,
Elizabeth Doolittle changed her identity from poor public flower girl into a duchess. From this play, we come to know that nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. George Benancha proved that practice makes the man perfect. The end.
thank you.